Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a try on, and a review on the Simpsons Revolution Makeup Revolution London Treehouse of Horror lip mask. With that being said, let's get started. I found this at TJ Maxx for about $3 and I was surprised to find it there. This was something that I've been wanting to try. It does state in the back that it's a gel slime lip mask, and then it states ingredients. In the bottom it does have 20th television, PETA approved, vegan, global animal test policy, 12 months. It does state little things from Revolution and then the creators of this whole packaging, the makeup, etc. But it does not have instructions on what to do with this, so we're gonna see. Ooh, it's slimy. The smell is interesting. It's making me nauseous. This is like a jelly consistency. It does have like a weird kind of like very strong scent to it. So, oh, it's hard. It's hard jelly. I thought it was gonna be softer. Well, I can't even break it, so I guess I just... There's more on my finger than there is on my lips. So I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave this on. It just says lip mask. I'm gonna give it about a minute and then I'm gonna take it off. It's been 2 minutes and I'm gonna take this off. Does leave your lips very soft, like very soft, so I really do like that. When you're applying it, more product sticks to your finger than it does to your lips, but you can keep on adding more and more. I just don't like the scent. It's too strong for me. It makes me dizzy, but I do like the product itself. Final rating out of 5, I give this product a 4.5. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.